Hey everybody. Over the last week and a half I planned out a couple of really fun projects to do outside. Spring was in the air and well, spring was in the air. So today, in honor of my son who's someplace very warm right now and wants to be where the snow is falling, this is just a video of the snow falling just for him. So most people probably won't be interested in it, but Taylor, this is for you, bud. Here's the hopefully one of the last snowstorms of the year. This is the first half of it. We're expecting, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 inches of snow tonight yet. So everybody hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and I'm hoping next week I'll be putting out a video on how to make a really cool outdoor cooking pit that I saw once up north about 10 years ago, and I've decided to build one here on the property. So I've got all the parts for it. I just got to get nice enough weather to actually build it. I think the last storm did a number to my flag out back. Pole looks a little bent. Still flying though.